Hello, my name is Pallav Ladda and today I am going to demonstrate you the working of the GA chatbot which I have built. Now this chatbot is built using AWS Lex. This chatbot has basically three main functionalities. The first one is that it can book a service call. Second, it can modify that service call. And third, it can cancel that service call. So let's get started and say hi. So it replies me with hello, I am a service appointment scheduler bot. So okay, I like to book a service. So then it's going to ask me my name. Then it's going to ask me what's my phone number. So I ask into my phone number. Then it's asking what's my email. So what appliance do I need help with? I need help with refrigerator. Ask me what's the model number of the refrigerator. So I'm going to enter the model number of the refrigerator. And it's asking the serial number of the refrigerator. So I'm entering the serial number of the refrigerator. So, so it's asking me the issue. So I'll say it's not cooling. Properly. Then it's going to ask me when should it schedule. So I'll say tomorrow. Now as it is sample, so I can enter some random date and time. But when we deploy this, we can have a database table which can query these results based on the pin code. Now it's asking me my address, so I'll enter SRM University. So it says that okay, yes, you can book my service appointment, it's available. So it gives me a tracking ID. Now let's go to, so this is the database table which I have built for the chatbot. So when I see, you can see there are three entries right now. When I refresh this table, so you can see there is the fourth entry, SRM University, which just I entered. So now coming back to the second functionality, let's copy this string and go back. So I'll say I want to modify my booking and ask enter modify. So it asks me what's my tracking ID, the one which I just pasted. So it's asking me what date I want to change. I'll say 12th of November. Now as it is using the natural language processing of Amazon, so it will automatically understand that 12th November means 12th November 2018, and it's all automatically gonna format it in the way and save it into the database. So I'll say 12 p.m. So it will say it is available. So okay, yes, you can book it. So now let's see. So we change this to 310 to 12. So let's refresh this table, and as you can see that it has been changed to 12:11. The time has become 12. So and the last functionality is like I can want to cancel this appointment. So it's again gonna ask me my tracking ID. So I'm gonna paste the same ID, and it's gonna ask me confirm. So I'll say yes, you can delete that. So it says okay, your appointment has been cancelled. Please let me know if you would like to cancel or modify the appointment. Let's go back to the table, and as you can see when we refresh this table, so this entry has been deleted. There are again 4 entries only. So that's it. Now the one of the cool features that I would like to mention is that we can use the same code to run the Amazon Connect, which is basically a virtual call center. So we can use the same code and build a virtual call center where anyone can just call and book their service call. and they'll have the same functionality as I just showed you. And another thing is that, as you can see, we have to put in a lot of field when we make the service call. So when we use Alexa, as your platform is already developed Geneva, so we can have those details like name, address, and phone number from the Amazon account of that customer, so that he need not have to manually write all these details. So this is what I think, and I would love to develop it further if given an opportunity. Thank you.